हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस एमबीए पॉडकास्ट। आज मेरे साथ है आईएफएमआर के स्टूडेंट, दे आर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर बाय द वे, ओके, एंड वी गोना डिस्कस विद देम ऑल अबाउट आईएफएमआर। आपके कट ऑफ्स क्या है, कैसा है, डाइवर्सिटी, यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बात करेंगे। बाय द वे, इनकी समर इंटर्नशिप लग चुकी है एंड दे आर एक्चुअली इनटू वेरी गुड कंपनीज दैट दे हैव गॉट इनटू। कंपनी के नाम हम डिस्क्लोज कर सकते हैं, हम स्टाइपेंड नहीं बता सकते फिलहाल। बट गाइस, ओवर टू यू, प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
Okay, so my name is Divyanshu Verma. I come from the city of Lucknow. I have completed my graduation in BSc Honours Electronics from University of Delhi, and I'm also postgraduate in economics from University of Lucknow.
Wow.
And I'm inclined towards finance, so it was one of the reasons why I chose IFMR when I came here.
And which company you got into for summers?
Yeah, I've gotten a SIP in Oxane Partners.
Oxane Partners. Okay. Oxane Partners में आपको थोड़ा background देता हूँ. It's a New York based company by the way, doing fantastically good. They mostly give financial advisory roles if I'm not wrong. Okay. And ये जो कंपनी है, आप देखो न्यू एम्स में भी आती है, बेबी एम्स शायद से देखना पड़ेगा, जीएम में ये लोग आते हैं, नार्सी मुंजी, सिम्बासिस वगैरह में भी ये लोग जाते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड कंपनी एंड अ वेरी गुड प्रोफाइल. आई हैव इंटरव्यूड सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस. उनको वहाँ पे पीपीओ मिल चुका है. सो यू शुड बी गेटिंग पीपीओ, चांसेस आर 100% प्रोवाइडेड. अच्छा काम करना वहाँ पे, एंड द पैकेज ऑल्सो गुड. स्माइल देखो बंदे की. Coming back to you.
I'm Srishti Bagri. I'm from Chennai. I did my undergraduation in BCom Accounting and Finance from MOP Vaishnav College in Chennai. I have 3 years of work experience. 1 year I worked in Deloitte and 2 years I worked in my family business.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm doing my MBA here.
And which company got into your summers?
I got into CRISIL.
CRISIL. Oh, that's nice. Deloitte में कितने साल आपने काम करा?
8 साल, 1 year.
Okay. And then CRISIL.
Yeah.
Okay. Over to you.
My name is Rishabh Kumar Mishra. I come from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh specifically. I have done my computer science engineering from Anna University, Chennai here. Then I worked at Cognizant as a program analyst trainee for about a year, and then I joined this college.
Okay.
After this college, I have secured an internship in Mahavir Finance. It is a NBFC.
Got it. Okay, so now all of you अगर देखा जाए, so you're from north side. You're also from north part of the country, right? So बहुत सारे बच्चे मुझे ये पूछते हैं कि सर IFMR चेन्नई जाना है, बट मे बी वहाँ पे सदर्न क्राउड ज़्यादा होगा तो हमें शायद से लेफ्ट आउट फील होगा, राइट? हाउ इज़ द डाइवर्सिटी आपके क्लासरूम में? एंड यू योरसेल्फ आर फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, राइट? सो आपने यहाँ पे आने के पहले कुछ रिसर्च करा था डाइवर्सिटी वगैरह के बारे में? वो थोड़ा मेरे ऑडियंस को बता देना यार.
Coming from my education, my graduation was in Delhi University. So I have experienced diversity before. So मेरे diversity ज़रूरी था. So when I came here, I saw that one of the best things about this college is that there is a lot of diversity. People are from not just southern crowd. People are from central India, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. We have crowd from everywhere. So
Okay. Anything you wanna add in?
Yeah. Apart from I think just the northeast part, rest all the India I have seen people from here, and it's really
Okay. So you will get diversity यहाँ पे. ऐसा नहीं कि only southern part वाले बच्चे आते हैं. Fantastic. हाँ, मैंने इनके senior से भी बात करी थी. So you will see around about 70% of the जनता coming from the different part of the country, which is not a southern. So you will have north, east and west public coming here also, right? Okay. So now important question. कौन से एग्ज़ाम आपने दी थी? Okay. उसके कट ऑफ क्या थे, रादर उसके आपके परसेंटाइल क्या थे, एंड कौन से एग्ज़ाम की आपकी कट ऑफ क्लियर करके आप IFMR आए, वो थोड़ा बता देना.
I gave CAT and ZAT exams, and the cutoff is 80 percentile over here.
Okay.
So I scored 80 percentile only in CAT and 86.5 in ZAT. So I scored admission based on ZAT only.
Nice.
So I got 93.26 in CAT and 86.47 something in ZAT, and in MAT I got 227. So 227.
So यार, you got 93 plus in CAT.
Yes.
I am very sure आपको बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस के कॉल्स आए होंगे.
Of course. That's
तो कौन कौन से कॉलेजेस के ऊपर आपने IFMR को प्रेफर किया?
Mostly all the two-tier colleges like that includes Tapmi, GLIM Gurgaon, not just Chennai part, GLIM Gurgaon, LBSIM, IMI Delhi's BFSI, and
Good.
some few another colleges as well.
So these are all good colleges, and still you chose IFMR over and above them.
Yes.
Why?
First of all, it's the geography. As I already mentioned, I have studied in Chennai itself. So this geography is popular for me, and a lot of the seniors that were like working in companies. Some were in my company as well. Like I had a chat with them and they said that the finance focus of this college is really great.
Yeah.
They provide a lot of facilities as well as Bloomberg Labs and other things that are like,
Right.
that are not very
Right.
common are here. And the entire culture of this college, it favors a lot of like finance mindset. So if you want to learn finance from scratch, this is a good place to learn. And like
Okay. Coming back to you.
So I scored 73.2 in CAT and 225 in NMAT. So I had cleared the cutoff on the basis of NMAT. And
So sorry to cut you, but this is good thing about IFMR. CAT, ZAT and MAT. तीनों में से किसी भी एक का अगर आपका कट ऑफ निकल गया तो तुम्हें यहाँ पे चांस मतलब कॉल तो आ जाती है पर आपको पीआई परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है एंड कॉल आ ही जाती है. कट ऑफ क्लियर किया तो कॉल आपको मोस्टली आ ही जाएगी. प्लीज गो हेड.
so I also had the colleges in my list were Great Lakes. The Great Lakes I had the 1 year MBA because I have.
Great Lakes
worked as-
Chennai?
Yeah, Great Lakes Chennai.
1 year program,
1 year
PGPM.
program,
Oh, that's a
yes.
brilliant program anyway.
Because I have
हाँ.
work experience and I also had Wellinkar, Tapni and KJ in hand.
Nice,
So,
yaar.
Yeah.
Now this is getting interesting. Why did you prefer IFMR over and above these? Because these are all good brands, no doubt. I mean, I'm not comparing, but I'm just saying that students' mind, these are all good brands. So tell me what was the reasoning?
One of the main reasons was I wanted to pursue finance. So, based on what I have spoken to the students of IFMR and the alumni of IFMR, I found out that the IFMR base of this college is really, really good.
Yeah,
and मेरे को
I
I'm
second that.
sure कि मेरे को फाइनेंस में ही करना है. एंड प्लस द सेकंड रीजन वाज इट इज़ क्लोज टू होम. आई लिव इन चेन्नई, सो इट इज़ क्लोज टू होम, सो दैट वाज अनदर एडवांटेज फॉर मी. दैट्स व्हाई.
Okay, now let's talk about your personal interview experience a bit. Okay, I'll start with you. Tell me what were the questions, कैसे था, क्या क्या पूछा था? Were you grilled on any technical stuff or something like that? And was it finance heavy or it was just generic?
So it started with tell me about yourself, and
okay.
then the professor asked me why I chose BCom accounting and finance, and I told the professor that I really enjoy doing accounting, and coincidentally the professor who was interviewing me was our accounts professor.
There you go.
So he asked me a lot of questions regarding accounts. So I was grilled accounts perspective because I had told that I enjoy accounts and he was the professor himself. And then a little very like basics of economics were asked and a few situational based questions because I have work experience as well. I was asked about my work ex, what I did, and I have two different backgrounds altogether. I have Deloitte as well as a family business. So like from there also I got a lot of questions.
Okay.
But overall the interview experience was pretty smooth. It was nice.
Okay, over to you.
Mine was, since I have a post-graduation in economics, so it was heavily leaning towards economics only. I was
कुछ
drilled on-
पूछा ग्राफ्स वगैरह इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड में कुछ
Yeah,
पूछा.
all these things, elasticity of demand, what kind of market it is, geopolitics questions as well,
Wow.
current affairs questions पूछे गए थे.
Wow.
And especially since I have a diverse academic background, so I was specifically asked that why do you want to transition from your background to MBA, all those things, plus a bit on my profile also. Like,
I did not ask you this question, but did you chose IFMR over and above any other colleges?
yeah, I did. I had converted KJ Somaiya, Wellinkar and LBSM also.
Okay, and you have a work ex of how many years?
I am a fresher.
You're a fresher. So my question to you would be, why not getting a little bit of work ex and then doing an MBA? What was your thought process?
Since I had already expended like 2 years in doing masters also earlier,
हाँ,
so
okay.
I was already 2 years behind, I should say.
मतलब कि मोटा मोटी पैसा जल्दी कमाना था इसलिए आगे
Good that is. So,
वही होता है यार. Over to you.
So for my case, the interview actually revolved mostly around the engineering part, what I did, as well as what my projects and some guesstimate rounds. And they also asked me something about the AI's related questions. So I think the professor was mostly into data science. So he asked me a lot of technical questions about data science for some reason, and wanted to know how like I perform, and of course how aware I am in the technology field, and my motivations to like move from tech domain to finance. So my interview mainly.
Okay, so I think how many months now? 5 months in IFMR?
Yes.
6 months. How's life? ये 6 महीने कैसे है? रिग्रेस है, चिल है? चिल तो बोलना भी मत, तुम फाइनेंस के बच्चे हो. प्लीज बता.
I will say it's like a sine curve, sometimes high, sometimes low, but mostly I will say everything is in the middle. Exams time of course.
Are you enjoying sessions of
Yes, I'm
finance?
really enjoying.
You're an engineer.
Yes.
How does it feel यार finance पढ़ना?
earlier it used to be slightly scary, especially accounts. I used to like help with, I used to take their help a lot. I used to ask my fellow batchmates, but they helped me a lot to like understand, and now I feel like I'm really comfortable with finance and accounts and this part of things that I have not usually delved into. Apart from this, there are a lot of subjects that I am very familiar to as well, that it comes with probability, mathematics, statistics, that I'm really into. So it's a mixed bag, and I can help them in this kind of subjects. They help me in others.
ये भी स्कूल में होता है. Engineers help non-engineers teach engineers economics, finance, and all these golden principle rules of accounting, personal account and nominal account and etc. Coming back to you, how it's feeling from last 5 months?
It's been amazing, kind of as you said, a cycle. There are times that we are very.
So you've already done a lot of stuff in finance, right? Is it something new you are learning here?
Yeah, of course, because I don't have exactly a finance background, so there are a lot of things that I'm learning new, especially accounts. I haven't studied accounts earlier, so it's totally new for me.
Over to you.
I think, moreover, like keeping the academics aside, the people with whom I'm surrounded by have made the 6 months more enjoyable. Even though people assume कि it's like एक अलग ही जगह में है कॉलेज, and वहाँ पे कुछ करने को
हाँ,
नहीं है,
ये
and it's
क्वेश्चन
boring.
मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा आता है कि सदर्न पार्ट में हम कैसे जाए, चेन्नई में होगा नहीं होगा, कॉलेज दूर वगैरह. देखो यार, लोकेशन ना, बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि लोकेशन मैटर करता है, बट आई ऑल्सो इंटरव्यूड प्लेसमेंट हेड, वो वीडियो ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है, आप देख लेना. सो गाइज, मतलब कुछ मुझे प्रॉब्लम तो लगता नहीं है यहाँ पे. यू नेम अ कंपनी, टॉप कंपनीज इन फाइनेंस वर्ल्ड आर विजिटिंग दिस कैंपस, तो ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, राइट? एंड लोकेशन मतलब यार थोड़ी ना रोज़ रोज़ हमें बाहर जाना है. कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं कि सिटी में होगा तो मज़ा आएगा. भाई MBA रिग्रेस है. Anyway, go ahead.
Moreover, campus mein everything is there inside campus, so there is nothing other than restaurant food per se. There is nothing we are missing out. And inside the campus also we have small restaurants which provide us good food. So the campus itself is nice, and other than that, the 6 months academic wise dekho to for someone who has accounts background and finance background, I enjoyed these 6 months
Absolutely.
studying, even though there were a few subjects and few topics which I didn't understand, but overall, because it is in my interest, so I thoroughly enjoyed these
Okay.
6 months.
And how are the faculties? Are they approachable?
Yeah, very much.
या डांटते वाटते हैं?
नहीं, they're very approachable.
Okay. So you can sit with them,
Yes,
ask them a
yes,
question.
yes.
We can even like visit them. A lot of faculty, they stay on campus only.
That's a good thing. Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for mentioning that.
We
Acha.
can simply visit them. Just book an appointment. We can visit, catch up over a tea or something. We can talk.
Wow, nice. Guys, my last question for the day. Okay. MBA में फर्स्ट ईयर में समर इंटर्नशिप बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Okay. Now there are people that are preparing for it, right? So we're in the month of January now. I think by March सबके रिजल्ट्स आउट हो जाते हैं. जून जुलाई में कॉलेजेस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. समर्स अगस्त से चलते हैं. So they still have around about 4-5 months in their hand. Okay. How can they build their profile so that they can crack some good companies like CRISIL हो गया, Oxygen हो गया. क्या आप उनको क्या हैक बताओगे या फिर क्या टिप्स बताओगे?
I think one most.
You're a placement girl, na?
Yeah.
I want you to answer this.
I think the most important thing is get your basics right.
What do you mean by basics? What sort of basics?
So because I gave a finance interview, my role is finance based. So because the person who is interviewing you also knows कि it's your first year, it's your first term or second term, you will not have a depth of finance.
Yeah.
Basics ही पता होगा. So basically the interviewers, they just want to understand how strong your base is. They will ask you all accounting questions. Like I was majorly asked all accounting questions, all macroeconomic questions, and on the base level. What they actually test is ki are you mugging it up or are you trying to understand?
Very important.
So in
Very
accounting
important.
ratios, they will ask
Right.
you what many students do is they just mug up the ratio.
हाँ, ratio,
They
that's
don't
right.
understand basics होता है कि numerator बढ़ रहा है तो क्या होगा, denominator बढ़ रहा है तो क्या होगा. So I think understanding the basics एकदम depth में जाके is very very important for accounts and for macroeconomics.
थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर लो यारो. जरूरी है.
And I
बोलो.
think basics of finance also, present value, future value, all that. Then I think it's very easy.
Sorted. So tell me, for the fact you are a part of placement committee, थोड़ा internal चीज़ें बताना मेरे बच्चों के लिए. So having those NISM certifications, CFA या फिर something which is not connected to finance, but कुछ करा है बच्चे ने, कुछ तो XYZ certificate करा है, क्या help करेगा वो?
Of course करेगा.
शॉर्टलिस्टिंग में?
Yes, it will definitely help. It's just that you get shortlisted, but ऐसा नहीं होना कि इंटरव्यू में पूछ रहे हो and then you're not able to answer. Because the interviewers they read your entire resume, and many interviewers they ask questions only resume based.
Exactly.
So like if you are able to answer all your questions resume based, then you have a very good chance. So that is very
एंड
important.
डू यू थिंक कि अगर एक बंदा इंजीनियर करके आए, जैसे इसका प्रोफाइल काफ़ी डाइवर्स है, बट इज गेटिंग इनटू फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टिंग, सो ऐसा होता है कि अगर इंजीनियरिंग करा है तो इंजीनियर वाला ही SIP मिलेगा, या फिर फाइनेंस का बैकग्राउंड नहीं है तो भी फाइनेंस की SIP लग सकती है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like few students who are engineer background have gotten good finance roles. Who few students who are non-engineers have also gotten good finance roles. So there is no such thing कि see it all comes down to the same question of how well you're understanding the topic, how you're able to justify yourself. Like even if you're from an engineering background, even if you just like आप एक दे दो इसको क्लैरिटी दे दो कि even though मेरे को बेसिक्स ही आता है, मेरे को बेसिक्स इतना अच्छे से आता है, तो दैट इज़ इनफ फॉर द इंटरव्यूअर टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ इस बंदे में पोटेंशियल है, वो आगे जाके कर लेगा, लर्निंग पावर है.
पास्ट अकेड्स मैटर करता है समर्स में?
हाँ करता है. शॉर्टलिस्टिंग में इट हेल्प्स पास्ट अकेड्स.
तो बस 6 लगा तो हो जाएगा ना, ऐसा कुछ बुरा तो नहीं है ना उसमें?
बुरा नहीं है, बट इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू बी ऑन द 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8.
Okay. What's your experience?
And when it comes to placement and all, one thing I'd like to add to whatever Srishti said, that it's very important no matter what your academic background is, whatever you study, it's very important that you learn how to represent. We all can study, we all know stuff, but it's very important that I can put my knowledge or whatever I know in front of you.
Very right.
And above all, if I'm able to perform under pressure, because a lot of interviews they turn into stress interviews. They test how are you able to perform. For example, in my interview, it was completely out of my CV. They didn't ask me related to my resume. Completely out of it. So it was a shock plus a stress interview. So are you able to keep calm? Are you able to think your chain of thought? Is it breaking? How is it? So it's very important.
You want to tell me something about your interview?
My interview basically mainly focused around slightly macroeconomic factors as well as the vehicle economy, and like what I was like knowing about this particular industry that they were operating on. Apart from this, so I will say like learn about the company that you are going for an interview of, and if you are trying to tell any concept or trying to make them understand any concept, please give examples as much as possible. Like people can mug up the concepts, as she said, they can tell the particular concept very well, but if the interviewer asks for some practical implications of that particular concept or examples
Very
like
important.
where it was meant, and you don't have any idea of this, so it doesn't look good.
Okay, last question for the day. Do's and don'ts of GDPI for IFMR.
Don't stop anyone else from making a point, or don't be aggressive. Just main 2 things.
Always encourage a person who's not able to speak, who's a little shy and who's a little nervous. Always encourage that person to speak up. That is very important, I feel. That shows that how
Cooperative you are actually. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, and one more thing, if you are speaking, you get a chance to speak, make sure you speak as much as is required. You don't keep on going so that others get a chance to.
But from IFMR perspective, can you tell us कि ये आपको करके आना है? जैसे कोई इंजीनियर है, अब उसको PV वगैरह पूछेंगे, DCA वगैरह पूछेंगे तो पंगे होंगे उसके, तो क्या उन्होंने भी ये पढ़ना चाहिए या फिर उनका इंटरव्यू नॉर्मल लेवल पे जाएगा?
ऐसे it all depends on the panel of course, but see it's like अगर आपको नहीं आता है, you accept it कि मैम मेरे को ये नहीं आता है, I will learn it, I am trying to learn it. Then many panelists are okay with that as well, because if you lie, you get caught.
Yeah.
The panelists understand कि ये झूठ बोल रहा है, इसको कुछ नहीं आता है. So it's always it's like be honest. Even
Okay.
if you don't
और
know,
GK वगैरह पे ज़्यादा फोकस होता है, लाइक करंट अफेयर्स तो ठीक है, बट स्टैटिक GK
not much. I mean मेरे
अच्छा.
साथ तो इतना नहीं हुआ, but current affairs economics होता है.
ज़रूरी है.
ज़रूरी.
जियोपॉलिटिक्स करके आना चाहिए. I mean, just asking. I mean, I'm not sure. Geopolitical point of view, political point of view, religious point of view. पूछा था किसी को?
मेरे को geopolitics
okay.
Mainly because of course like as I said, वो लोग mainly focus करते हैं कि तुम्हारी resume में क्या है, तुमको क्या आता है. They know if as a house engineer मुझे पता है कि मेरे को उतना अच्छे से finance नहीं आता है, but whatever you know तुम्हारे उसने लिख रखा है, तुमने बोल रखा है, तुमने मेंशन किया, मैंने जियोपॉलिटिक्स मेंशन किया अपने
राइट वो आना चाहिए.
तो वो आना चाहिए. तो लाइक दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस. तो मुझे मोस्टली गोल्ड रिलेटेड पूछा था, सॉवरिन गोल्ड बॉन्ड एंड लाइक गोल्ड रिलेटेड कि व्हाई गोल्ड इज प्रेफर्ड और इतना सेफ क्यों रहता है ग्लोबल कॉन्टेक्स्ट में.
Perfect.
तो
Perfect.
Adding to Rishabh, one of the things that separates the interviews over here is that whenever they give you something controversial, because all three things you mentioned was a bit controversial, especially geopolitics and religious things. So here they don't want you to be diplomatic. Here they want you to choose a side and back up.
Exactly. This is exactly what I wanted to extract from you guys.
Yeah, it's
Because I had an interview with the admissions head and this is what I wanted you guys to talk about. So yes, ये ज़रूरी है IFMR में, diplomatically मत खेलो, आप अपना POV सामने रखो and doesn't matter सही की गलत है, your POV is your point of view, that's it. They're not going to judge you, but that's important. So thanks for mentioning that. Cool, guys. That's it from our side, and guys, I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Do very well. Hopefully, अगले साल आपका PPO वगैरह लग जाए तो वापस हम इंटरव्यू कर सकते हैं to encourage and motivate my students out there. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.